Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Afternoon again, YouTube. Back with you on this B&K signal generator. I have the instructions on taking this thing apart. Basically, you take out these screws. This comes off. There's really not too much to it. I think I could have figured it out if there's the only screws visible. What I want to do is first, before I even go any further, I want to take a little close up here and show you what the condition is. I know you can't really see that cord, but take a little close up of it. So you can see that it's been, the ground lug has been tore off of the plug. There's like probably there's at least 2 or 3 burn marks on it, to where that one's pretty much through the insulation there. So I think I'm going to go ahead and replace that cord if I can find a suitable one. I don't think I have any flat ones like that, but I may be able to fit a round one on there. I don't know yet. So here, let me put this up now and come back to close up again if I need to. Alright, where's my screwdriver at? There it is. Alright, well, gee, that don't look bad at all. And get out the close-up camera here. Yeah, that don't look bad at all. Take a close look at it. It's very clean inside. So this may be, maybe a good thing here. Now, the way the rest of it comes apart is there's a screw here, and this one comes off here to release the ground. And you have to release the power cord. That shouldn't be hard. Like I say, and it should allow the, basically all this comes apart from this case here. So, Alright, enough of the close-up. Probably bring it back again. See if I can get that cord released. See, now already I'm having problems with that. No, should we do that? Okay. I was looking for it. Probably anyway. There's no third wire here. Just oh, there it is. I see. Okay. That is fine. Let's see if I can get wires here. Get all this thing good out. Ready? There we go. You can squeeze right spot. I'll see this up a bit. Watch me. Some of this piece right here. That's a good spot too. Really put your cards in there. Don't get a little needle there. Don't make anything do what you do. The wires just still a hole. It doesn't give it. And I think that's going to be some wire. Looks like it is. So, we'll get that out. I'm going to turn this off and bring it back when I get it off. Alright, back with you again. Had a little more doing than I thought it was going to. Take a close-up of this so you can see this. Yeah, I had to mangle the thing to get it out of there. Normally, those strain reliefs you could push in right there and they'll pull out. But this cord is just so brittle and old that it won't allow that to happen. So that will have to be replaced. I'm going to have to find a flat 3-prong cord for that to replace it with, because I need to get that back together like it was. And so that's no big deal. We can find that though. So let me get off this and go back to where I was doing this before. I'll do this. I'll those two. Oops, that's not enough. That's it. Yes. That's nice. All right. We'll try to get that one. What's up? Alright, that doesn't have to now. Figure it out, that's not good. Let's see how it's getting off here now. Just now we go off, Jesse's off in this way. Perhaps not, that's loose. That's loose. That's low. That's low. We're just getting low. We'll get low. The next picture is not just working, it's down below. So it's not really working that way. Just kept on our way. Something like this. Oh, I'm going above. Alright, see what else is on this thing. Okay, so just see that. There it is. It's almost like, it's on stadium stuff. Weird. All of a sudden, doesn't look like your symbol. Oh, it's not a symbol, it's that's our little levers. Here, see what happens. That's okay. You can see it hurts now. There's a couple of rubber grommets on the side there. I wonder if they're sticking. Oh, not loose. Man, go away again. There it is out. Again, it's not supposed to be this thing. I'm just gonna guess it's been all these years for everything apart. That's nice. This thing came back in the 70s. I think that's a year ago. It's full weight, it's just not coming out. There it goes. Yeah, it was the rubber things. That's kind of what I figured. Alright. Just a little bit of a... there we go. And I'll show you those rubber things I was talking about. See those? Right there. They were just stuck to the side there. You can see where they're stuck. Alright, that's pretty much that.